Uwi na kami. Yan guys, so hi sir. This now, see, my boss now, boss. Yes, this from my YouTube channel, sir. Yeah. So we'll put also my Facebook. Okay, sir. Facebook.
You send me the friend request.
Yeah, my friends also on Instagram.
Yes.
See this our boss,
Yes.
my boss.
So we will add you. Send
Yeah.
me the friend request.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. We'll see. Hi, ma'am. Lagay kita sa ano. Yan o. Yan si ma'am. Nasa sir. Hello.
Sige po. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. This is my friend now. Hi, boss. How are you?
Hello.
See? This is my friend now. So you can see my YouTube channel, ha? Okay. This is
YouTube channel.
yeah. Okay. So we'll start tomorrow the party. So okay guys. This is my friend now, the guy that Pariji. You can hide the YouTube channel, okay? Ayo. This is my friend. Come.
Everybody your friends.
Yeah, my friend.
Nice guy.
Yeah, this is okay. Tapos na ang duty. Bye-bye. Tapos na. Uwi na tayo. Hi, sir. This is Pakistan food, right? See? The chip cook handle. Ferdos now the one taste the Pakistan food. Ferdos, yes, this Ferdos tasting now. Taste the food, this Pakistan food, okay?
Sensya na.
Hi, ma'am. See? This is salad, lumpia. Lumpia. Ay, sorry. Anong gusto mo?
Ilang po yan.
Kain na, ma'am, kain. From which country is that food?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh food. Aywa, dancing this guy, oh. Bangladesh food. Okay. So you can give me one little bit chicken. Okay, good. Thank you. This guy from Bangladesh food. What is that food, sir? From Indian food. See? It's Ferdos also. What you eat? Chicken only?
Chicken only.
No mutton? Mutton, no? Hi, pare. From where this food?
This one?
From not Philippines? Lumpia, Philippines. Lumpia. See, you have a video. From where this one? Pare, from where? Spicy.
Ay, kanito. Sinapay.
No spicy.
Chef, there's something inside.
This one, no? Fish? Okay. Fish, this. See? Laksa na tiksi. Don't taste the food. No.
Arfat.
Kain tayo ng salad. Ano yan? Salad? Salad from Philippines.
This is chicken or what? Chicken.
Sir, salad from Philippines.
Yes. I will make you view
Testing. Testing from food Philippines. Yan. Kumain siya, kuha siyang food. Yo. Yan guys, gising tayo. Yay! Pare, you like salad? Salad from the Philippines, okay? Hi. How are you? From where this food, bhai? From where this food? Kayo?
This food
Oh yeah, food.
from Nigeria.
Ah, Nigeria. I'm Nepal. Oh.
Big photo
Yeah,
of the Nepali.
Nepal food. See, nice food from Nepal. Okay. So Nepal. Nepal food, ah. Hi, sir. I think video, sir. No video, sir. Again, ah. No video again. Yay! Pakistan food! Pare! Pakistan food! Yay! Hi! See my friend, no?
Chawal. Chawal नहीं आज.
Hi, Pakistan food. Food? See, already finished, already fast. Hello! Can I take your video? Hello! Hello, ma'am. From where? Hi. Guys, tapos ng party. So, uwian na. Tapos na ang party, uwian na. See you next ulit. Continue our party every day. Uwian na, mga dako.